All right. Remember, door latch wasn't working or opening things, so we open it up, pull off the handles, 2 screws, and this little panel comes off. You pop this guy off, use a tool, pop it off all along here, pop off, rotate out that way, easy peasy. Then we look here and see what the problem is. Well, if I pull on this handle, it pulls and it moves. Where, can you see it? There, it moves that guy up and down. Well, if we reach in here, this is missing, or this is no longer attached. So that's why this handle isn't doing anything, because it moves that rod. So that yellow clip popped out. I'm going to use a zip tie for the moment, but you can order these. Toyota's part number looks like 6923-12040. I'm going to have 10 of them, so if you want one, order something, add a note, and I'll throw it in your order. We're doing coupon code ROLLBACK, or roll build, sorry, that's to rebuild this 80 in something that is capable. So there we go. We're gonna zip tie that up, and hopefully that handle will do its job. Here is a quick fix. So I got the zip tie in there, right there. Here it is, actuating from one handle and one from the other. So button it up and we'll have a rear hatch that opens from the outside. How cool will that be? Kaizen, what do you think?
Good. I was looking inside these little pockets, and
The ashtrays?
yeah, this one is filled with sticker parts.
Oh, so what's the first thing you think we need to add for you and this car?
Maybe replace. Maybe make it so I can open the door from the inside, because there's a safety measure.
There's a what?
There's a safety measure that only on the outside can be open sometimes.
Okay, that's the child lock. We'll fix that later.